Now we're ready. Hi, we're getting ready to attach the bike rack. Got the trusty instructions out, so we'll see how this goes. Looks like should be fairly easy, so we'll find out. Okay, after looking through the instructions, it has a list of vehicles in the back where you look up your vehicle, and in this case we have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, the year 2006, and it says here that we should do the fit dial setting as a 10. So as we go forward here, we're going to find out what fit dial 10 is. Oh, there we go. We got our trusty dusty straps here, and we have hooks, hold everything. As we unhook here, it says that we should unscrew these. Alright, we got that. And we find number 10. These are marked on the inside. Screw this in here like this. Tighten it down. That. Number 10 here. That. And voila. We're ready for that. Then, like this. Like this. Yep, helps if you're on the right thing. Go. See how these hooks go up here. Okay, we're getting here, except we got this twisted. Backwards. Looks like they got this in a different direction. Clips are a little snug fit. We'll go back here. Feed in the strap. Okay. We got first pass as far as hooking that up. Alright, now we have other straps go from to the sides. That. sure about this hook. Good question. Yeah, let's try the trusted instructions here. Let's see. Find how these go. Let's see here, attach the bottom straps. Oh, okay. Let's see how those go. Let's go like this. And then tighten up like that. This. Alright, now we do cinch up the top ones here. Things squared around a little bit. Looks like it's snug there. Snug there. Alright, now we got all these straps to do with. Always have to, I know in times past, one of the things Joy's concerned with is flapping straps, because it doesn't take long for one of those to be flying around and wear the paint off of your vehicle. So want to be sure that we get all these cinched up to where they won't do that. And I don't know that we're going to accomplish that, but hopefully we are. Okay, there. One more time. And of course, since this is the first trip with this, when we're out, we will stop and check. Make sure straps are still snug and cinched up. Don't want any of these things wearing away. That's a good question. What do we do with this one? There. and through. I don't know if that'll work, but we're going to find out. I'll try this here. Oops. Okay, next step is put on the arms. Got the arms here. The two little plungers pushed in. Now the question is, how do I... Let's see here, firmly. Insert firmly to this point. Button must be visibly engaged. There we go. Arm is engaged. Other side. Arm is engaged. Okay. Now. We have some other parts here. These to hold bikes on. Not sure how these go in here, but looks like that's something like that. It's time for instructions. Oops. Got a blood. Must have hit something. Go ahead and stop. Push right square in the middle.